Hi, and welcome to the Super Affiliate System. We've just made a massive leap into the world of entrepreneurship and starting your own business. And on behalf of myself and the entire team that we've taken to put this together for you, I'm genuinely and extraordinarily excited about this journey you're about to embark on. So without further ado, we have this welcome module to help show you what's going on within the course and how to use all of the materials throughout this training program and all the resources that are available to you to set up your own successful online business. So once again, congratulations, you've made a huge and uncommon step towards creating your new future.